What if your daily commute could help save the planet? Enter Arsimoto, an electric vehicle revolution that's redefining sustainable transportation. With bold innovations, sleek designs, and eco-friendly performance, Arsimoto is proving that going green doesn't mean giving up speed, convenience, or style. Ready to explore the future of transportation? Let's dive into the electrifying world of Arsimoto.
Innovative fleet of electric vehicles brings us closer to a sustainable and enjoyable future. By embracing Arsimoto's electrically powered cars, people can experience the benefits of eco-friendly transportation without compromising on convenience, speed, or any other features traditionally associated with conventional vehicles. Arsimoto effectively eliminates the need for polluting, costly, and unnecessarily oversized cars that dominate the market today. The surge in sales of electric vehicles underscores the growing demand for clean energy solutions. With currently 4 distinct Arsimoto models available, tailored to diverse needs, Arsimoto's electric fleet provides a comprehensive solution. Prepare to be astonished as we delve into the captivating world of Arsimoto's fun electric vehicles. Let's talk about Arsimoto's electric vehicle. But before we proceed, if you're new to this channel, remember, go ahead and to hit the bell icon to subscribe, so you won't miss the informative videos we will upload in the future. But before getting into that, first, let's talk about the company. Arsimoto is an Oregon-based company that specializes in the design, manufacturing, and sale of electric vehicles, EVs. Operating from its factory in Eugene, Oregon, USA, the company focuses on developing unique-looking 3-wheeled EVs as efficient and sustainable alternatives to traditional cars. With a dedicated team of engineers, Arsimoto continuously works on designing and improving its electric vehicles. In addition to selling their EVs, Arsimoto has taken a step towards sustainability by offering rental services in multiple locations on the east and west coasts of the United States. This approach allows more people to experience and benefit from their eco-friendly vehicles. The company has gained recognition for its innovative approach to urban mobility and its commitment to sustainability. By addressing challenges such as traffic congestion and emissions, Arsimoto aims to make a meaningful contribution to the fight against climate change. The compact size, maneuverability, and futuristic design of their vehicles have contributed to their popularity among consumers seeking an affordable, efficient, and environmentally friendly mode of transportation. Now let's have a look at their product lineup. FUV. Starting with their flagship, the Fun Utility Vehicle, or in short, FUV. It is a 3-wheeled electric vehicle designed for urban commuting and short trips. Its unique design features tandem seating, allowing 2 passengers to sit comfortably in a side-by-side configuration. The EV is powered by an electric motor that delivers a top speed of around 75 miles per hour. It offers a range of approximately 100 miles on a full charge, making it suitable for daily commuting and local errands. The vehicle features a lithium-ion battery pack that can be recharged using standard household outlets or public charging stations. The vehicle comes equipped with features like a lockable storage area at the rear for carrying personal belongings, as well as options for removable doors, roofs, and windshields for added versatility. In terms of comfort, the FUV offers adjustable seats, seat belts, and footrests to accommodate different body types. The interior is designed to provide a spacious and ergonomic seating position for both the driver and passenger. This flagship of Arsimoto can be bought at the price tag of $19,000. MUV. Arsimoto is expanding its product lineup with the introduction of the Modular Utility Vehicle, MUV, a versatile and customizable electric utility vehicle designed for industrial and commercial customers. Built on the same foundation as their Fun Utility Vehicles, the MUV offers a maximum range of 102 miles and can carry up to 500 pounds. Its compact 3-wheel design ensures easy maneuverability in tight spaces and on highways with a top speed of 75 miles per hour. The MUV features a dual-motor front-wheel drive, Level 1 and Level 2 charging options, and a modular design that allows for interchangeable configurations to accommodate different load capacities. Customers can accessorize the vehicle using their items or choose from a selection of available MUV accessories. The base carrier package starts at around $23,500, with additional options like the utility package for $299 and the cargo package for an extra $1,500, providing increased flexibility. The Arsimoto MUV combines performance, functionality, and affordability for a practical work-oriented electric utility vehicle. The Deliverator. The Arsimoto Deliverator is a compact and nimble three-wheeled electric vehicle designed for last-mile delivery services. With a range of approximately 100 miles and a top speed of 75 miles per hour, it offers efficient and sustainable transportation in crowded urban environments. The customizable cargo storage compartments ensure organized and hassle-free delivery, with over 20 cubic feet of space available. The vehicle is powered by an electric motor and features a durable design to meet the demands of commercial delivery operations. In a pilot program with Joko in Manhattan, the Deliverator will be added to their e-bike fleet, providing a flexible delivery vehicle option for couriers. This one can be purchased for $25,000. Rapid Responder. The Arsimoto Rapid Responder is a variant of the Arsimoto FUV, fun utility vehicle, specifically designed for emergency services. It offers a unique and efficient solution for first responders in navigating crowded urban environments. It has a top speed of 75 miles per hour and a range of approximately 100 miles. It features emergency lighting and siren systems and additional storage compartments, and is powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. The purpose of the Rapid Responder is to provide a sustainable and efficient alternative for emergency response, reducing emissions and operating costs while offering easy maneuverability in urban areas. Starting price of this vehicle is around $25,000. The Mean Lean Machine, MLM. Arsimoto is gearing up to release their upcoming electric bike, the MLM. This futuristic two-wheeler is powered by 3 hub motors and a pedal generator, eliminating the need for chains, belts, or greasy maintenance. The MLM promises a joyful and exhilarating riding experience like no other e-bike on the market. With advancements in stability, handling, range, and accessories, Arsimoto aims to deliver the best-in-class ride quality, carrying capacity, and versatility with its Cybertrike prototype. The acquisition of Tilting Motor Works and their patented tilting technology further enhances the MLM's performance and safety. By allowing natural leaning, this innovative tilting technology elevates the ride experience, boosting confidence and stability. Pre-orders for the Mean Lean Machine are now open, requiring a $100 fully refundable deposit. So guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.